Hello children, today I am going to explain you one story written by Vibha Devsare. Name of the story is Dant Ka Dard, toothache. In a very fun way, she has explained through this story how you should take care of your tooth, and if you will not take care, what is going to happen. So let's see in this story that how the king of the jungle lion is suffering from toothache. जंगल के सब जानवर परेशान थे. All the animals of jungle were very restless. जड़ी बूटी और अंग्रेजी दवाई खिलाने के बाद भी शेर के दांतों का दर्द ठीक नहीं हो रहा था. जड़ी बूटी is actually herbal medicine and अंग्रेजी दवाई is allopathy medicine. So after giving herbal medicine and allopathy medicine also, still the toothache of lion was not getting relief from his toothache. In this story, children, one more thing I want to explain you. To make it interesting, Vibha Devsare has given very cute names to all the animals. So let's see. चंपू बंदर शहर जाकर किसी डॉक्टर को लाने को भी तैयार था. Champu monkey was ready to go to the city and bring one doctor. पर तैयार था मीन्स रेडी. पर मौजीराम हाथी ने समझाया. बट देन मौजीराम हाथी एक्सप्लेन. समझाया मीन्स एक्सप्लेन्ड. ऐसी बात तो करो नहीं. डोंट टॉक लाइक दिस. शेर का इलाज करने भला कौन डॉक्टर आने की हिम्मत करेगा. हियर इलाज मीन्स ट्रीटमेंट. हिम्मत मीन्स करेज. So which doctor has this much courage that he will come to do the treatment of a lion? किसे अपनी जान गंवानी है. जान गंवाना means to lose life. So who wants to lose his life? छमको लोमड़ी ने तो मोती कुत्ते से यहां तक कहा. Then छमको लोमड़ी, she said to मोती कुत्ता that कुत्ता dog, हमारे जंगल के राजा. लोमड़ी is fox. So छमको fox, she told to मोती dog that हमारे जंगल के राजा दर्द से इस तरह तड़प रहे हैं और हम सब तमाशा देख रहे हैं. That our king of the jungle is restless due to this pain and we are just simply standing and watching this drama. तमाशा is drama. We are not doing anything. शहर जाकर अपने मालिक से कहो कि वह कंप्यूटर पर इंटरनेट से ऐसी दवा तलाशें जो हमारे राजा को दर्द से छुटकारा दिलाए. Just go to the city and meet your master and ask him, as you know dogs are pet animal, right? So this is the reason this Chamko fox is telling him that you go and ask your master, Malik is master, to search in computer on internet some medicine for our our king's lion tooth pain. मोती ने हैरानी जताई. मोती got surprised. अरे छमको, तुझे बड़ी जानकारी है. ओ छमको, you are so knowledgeable. तू तो कंप्यूटर के बारे में भी जानती है. जानकारी means knowledge. You know about computer also. इधर शेर दर्द से बुरी तरह तड़प रहा था. And on the other hand, the lion was getting restless because of that pain. उसकी समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि वह क्या करे. Couldn't understand what to do in this pain. आखिर घबराकर सबसे दूर एक घने पेड़ के नीचे जाकर लेट गया. At the end, घबराकर he got so much restless that he just went under one dense tree and he just slept over there. ठंडी हवा चल रही थी. The cold breeze was there in that place. शेर पर बेहोशी सी छा गई. That lion he just slept under that tree. उसका मुंह खुला हुआ था. But his mouth was open. पेड़ पर बैठी नन्ही चिड़ियों ने शेर को तड़पते देखा. Two small birds, those who were sitting on the tree, पेड़ is tree. नन्ही means small. So the small birds sitting on the tree, they saw that how lion was restless because of pain. वह नींद में भी दर्द से कराह रहा था. कराहना is a crying sound. So in his sleep also he was crying because of pain. दो नन्ही चिड़ियां चुपके से फुदकती हुई आईं और शेर के खुले मुंह में घुस गईं. So those two small birds quietly, चुपके से means quietly they came, फुदकती हुई means jumped, and they just went inside the mouth, in the open mouth of that lion. मुंह मतलब mouth. उन्होंने देखा कि शेर के दांतों और मसूड़ों में ढेर सारे कीड़े थे. And then they saw that there were so many germs in lion's tooth and gums. मसूड़े मीन्स गम. There were ढेर सारे मीन्स so many. चिड़ियों ने अपनी चोंच से, चोंच मीन्स beak. So birds चोंच से उन कीड़ों को निकालना शुरू किया. That those two small birds they started removing those germs from his tooth by their beak. सारे कीड़े जब निकल गए तो शेर को आराम मिला. When they removed all the germs, lion got relief from his pain. इससे पहले कि शेर अपना जबड़ा बंद करता, चिड़िया फुदक कर शेर के मुंह से बाहर आ गई. So before that the lion could have closed his jaws, both the birds they just jumped outside of from his mouth. शेर गहरी नींद में सो गया. After getting relief, that lion went in deep sleep. कुछ देर बाद जब शेर उठा तो उसे आश्चर्य हुआ. After some time, when that lion woke up, he was very surprised. आश्चर्य means surprised. उसका दर्द कैसे गायब हो गया? How his pain got vanished. शेर खुशी से दहाड़ने लगा. दहाड़ना is roaring sound. So with happiness he started roaring. चिड़िया कांप गई. कांपना मतलब shiver. So both the birds they got fear. They got very scared by hearing that roaring sound of lion. शेर फिर हुंकारा. Again lion he shouted, he made that roar. किसने मेरा दर्द ठीक किया? Who has cured my pain? मैं उसे इनाम देना चाहता हूं. इनाम means reward, a prize. So I want to give them some reward. डरती हुई दोनों नन्ही चिड़ियां आईं. With fear both the small birds they came in front of the lion. एक ने बताया, one of the birds said, राजा साहब आपके दांतों में ढेर सारे कीड़े थे. ओ किंग सर, there were so many germs. ढेर सारे means so many germs in your mouth. वो जो आपको काट रहे थे और आपको परेशान कर रहे थे. They were biting you. काटना means bite. So they were biting you and you are in so much trouble. परेशान मतलब trouble. दूसरी चिड़िया बोली. Then the other bird said, लगता है आप खाने के बाद दांतों की सफाई नहीं करते. It seems you don't clean your tooth after eating your food. यह सुनते ही शेर गुस्से में आ गया. After listening this, the lion became very angry. गुस्से मतलब angry. एक छोटी सी चिड़िया उसे उसकी भूल याद दिला रही थी. One small bird was telling him about his fault. भूल याद दिलाना means telling about his fault. फिर उसने अपने आप को संभाला. Then somehow he controlled. संभाला means controlled. और बोला and said, हाँ यह सच है. सच means truth. Yes, this is true. अब मैं हमेशा खाने के बाद दांतों की सफाई जरूर करूंगा. Now onwards, always. हमेशा means always. I will clean my teeth after eating my food. Thank you.